How to use the E315PS controller to correct bending angles and dimensions. How to use the E315PS controller for bend correction. Enter the basic bending data. Use a small test piece for bending. Bending length, 35 millimeters. Bending angle, 90 degrees. Back gauge size, 20 millimeters. Press the run key. Start bending. Measured angle, 89 degrees. The bending angle just achieved was 89 degrees. Press the stop key. You can correct it directly here. Now we need to increase by 1 degree. Enter 1 degree. Press the run key again. The Y-axis position will adjust. Perform the second bend after correction. Measure again. The angle is 90 degrees. This is the correction of the bending angle. Next, we'll introduce the correction of bend dimensions. For example, if the inner dimension of the bend plus the sheet thickness should result in a bending size of around 21.2 millimeters. If it is too large or too small, press the stop key. Enter the error value in the correction field. If the size is 0.5 millimeters too small, enter 0.5 millimeters. Then you will get 20.5 millimeters. If the size is 0.5 millimeters too large, enter minus 0.5 millimeters. Press the run key, then you will get 19.5 millimeters. This is the correction of bend dimensions.